The Android tutorial lesson 1 by Yulis Eka Agung. I will explain you about how to install Eclipse and SDK. For using Android, you must use the Java language and the Android SDK plugin in your Eclipse. Okay, see the video demonstration. Okay, you must download the Eclipse. I use Eclipse for Java developer, and if you setting at your Core 2 Duo laptop or PC, you can Helios for 20 or 32 bits, but for the i3 or i7 you must install at 64 bit. Okay, download this at your PC or laptop, Eclipse download, and after that you can googling and search about Android SDK and the Android emulator. Okay, click this developer.android.com and you can download depend on your operating system, Windows or Mac OS or Linux. Right, after the download is finished, you can see the Eclipse download or the Eclipse emulator at https://dl/google.com. See the site at your video. Right, after you copy this and you can load the Eclipse and setting your Android SDK and the emulator, but for the first time you must setting the workspace. Workspace meaning the project drive or the directory which you have saved your program or your script. Right, save them at your workspace directory and setting the Android SDK and the emulator. Click at help and install new software, and you can add the repository and name this at location at the Google SSL which mentioned at Google. Okay, copy and paste this side, copy, paste them to add repository and click OK. After that, click next and download all for Google emulator. Accept them and download until the download is complete. And after that, load again Eclipse and you can see the emulator and the SDK will show at your Eclipse. Click here at window, you can see Android SDK and FED Manager, and you can click them to update for your Android SDK. Right, but you must know the Android directory. Okay, you can see need the update Android 2.3, you can update all to get the latest version. Okay, after all the update is completed, you can set the emulator for your virtual device. Virtual device meaning you can compile and test your Android application, but you don't, or you must not buy Android phone. Just installing the emulator and you have the emulator of the Android machine. For the cellular phone, you can use 1.5, and the tablet or the latest Android, you can click at Android 2.3. Okay, this is my first tutorial at Android. See you for the next tutorial. Thank you very much.